kind of live two lives. By day, I work my full time job in tech. But outside of that, I'm creating content, running workshops, building community, basically living a second life as an AI educator. And people always ask me, how do you do it all? Well, I do have a team, but also I have a bunch of AI automation pipelines running quietly in the background, handling the boring stuff so I can stay creative and consistent. I've tried so many automation pipelines, don't even ask me how many subscriptions I have. And here is what I've learned different tools are good for different needs. Take N8N for example. It's great if you want full control. You can self host it, write down custom logic, and really fine tune your automations if you're technical and want to get into the weeds. But the moment you want something to just work at scale in production with zero infrastructure to babysit, Zapier is the move. It's cloud based, so you don't have to host anything. It comes with nearly 8,000 integrations. So, whether you're using Airtable or Gmail or Notion or Slack, it's probably already there. And the best part, you don't have to be technical to use it. So, let me give you an example. So, let's say that every time I post on LinkedIn, I want that post to be saved on Notion, a Slack ping sent to my team, and an entry logged in Google Sheet to track the performance. With Zapier, I can build that pipeline in 5 minutes. No code, no servers, no stress. With N8N as well, I could build the same thing, but I'll need to spend more time building it, hosting it, managing the updates, and fixing edge cases. I'll also need to worry about security with N8N's do it yourself approach, whereas enterprise grade security is built in Zapier. So, look, if you're technical, love tinkering, and don't mind spending more time to set up and manage it, N8N might make sense. But if you want something that's production ready, that just works with thousands of integrations, no servers to manage, and updates handled for you, then Zapier is the move. Honestly, Zapier is what lets me scale my work without scaling the hours. And for me, that's everything.